Neon Minds app legit or scam? So you're about to check out the app Neon Minds and decide together whether it's legit or a potential scam. So grab your device and let's dive in. You open the Neon Minds, it claims you can earn money or rewards by playing or by tapping reflex tasks. The promise sounds great. Play a simple game and earn a real cash. But you stop and ask, can I really trust this? Let's see what we discovered. First, the developer and the download stats. On one listing for a version, Neon Mines Ultra Tap, the developer is SPSPVT.limited, and the downloads reviews are extremely low or none. Second, there's a very limited credible user feedback about actual cash out success. Third, some related app sites tied to Neon apps have very low trust scores. For example, a website neonapps.com got flagged by Scam Advisor for being young, hiding owner identity, and sharing server space with suspicious sites. Now, you should watch out for these warning signs. If an app promises easy big earnings with little work, if the withdraw or cash out process is hidden or requires many extra steps, if the developer or company identity is unclear or hidden. And lastly, if there are no very few reviews, especially about actual payouts, these are classic hallmarks of maybe not fully legit apps. So in that case of Neon Minds, we haven't found verifiable evidence that many users have cashed out successfully, and the developer's track record and app visibility are weak. Therefore, you should treat this more like an experimental than the guaranteed income. In other words, it may function as a game, but if you're expecting to make money, you might be disappointed. So a final verdict, Neon Minds is not proven to be reliably legitimate earning app. It may work as a game, but if your goal is making real income, there are too many unknowns and red flags. Treat it with a caution, not full trust. Thanks for watching.